Hare Krishna, Jai Shri Radhe, Shri Radha for Supreme Shelter, Part 2, Chapter 1, Commentary on the Mahamantra by Shri Jeev Goswami, expert from Shri Harinam Mahamantra. Shlok 1. Sarva Cheto Hara Krishna Tasya Chittam Haratya Asyo Vaidik Dagdi Sarva Vishita Ato Radha Hara Matra. Hare. Shri Krishna Chandra's transcendental beauty captivates the mind of all, but Srimati Radhika captivates even the mind of Shri Krishna by exercising her unrivaled cleverness. Therefore, she is known as Hara. Hara is the singular vocati case in Hare. Shlok 2. Krishnayati Shvya Lavanyam Murli Kala Nihasvana Shri Radha Mohan Guna Lankrita Krishna Idyate. Krishna, Shri Hari, who is adorned with qualities that bewilder the three worlds, constantly attracts Srimati Radhika by his youthful beauty and the sweet sound of the flute. Therefore, he is called Krishna, an attractive one. Shlok 3. Shriyute Niyate Dase Harina Hari Kshane Ekakini Rahe Kunje Haryam Tena Kathyate. Hare. Shri Krishna kidnapped the doe-eyed Srimati Radhika, taking her along to scheduled forest bower away from the Rasmandal. This has been learnt from the words of the most exalted saintly person. Elites, therefore, Radhika is known as Hara. Hara in its vocative case become Hare. Shlok 4. Ananga Shamilina Stomiha Shamla Katha Kanchana Ramte Radhaya Sarnam Ato Krishna Nidyate. Krishna, the magnificent effulgence emanating from his dark limbs can convert Shri Radhika's golden complexion to luster of a dark sapphire. The Radha Raman Shamsundar is called Krishna. Shlok 5. Kritvarnya Sara Shrestram Kantyanumatam Tanya Akrishya Sarva Tirthanam Jat Taj Jnananta Krishna Idyate. Krishna, Shri Hari manifested Shamkund, the topmost of all the beautiful lakes in the forest of near Braj Govardhan. He did this in accordance with the desire of his beloved for Shri Radhika, and he attracted all holy places to it. Therefore, learned people who understand this deep secret call him Krishna. Shlok 6. Krishnayate Radhaya Prema Yamuna Tat Kananam Leelaya Leelasti Chap Dhiryate Krishna Udyarate. Krishna, although his pastime in the Kunjas on the bank of the Yamuna in Vrindavan bewildered the world of attractive Dhir Lalitanayak, Shri Hari is attracted by the transcendental prema of Shri Radhika, which is celebrated by the name of Mahabhav. That is why intelligent people call him Krishna. Shlok 7. Ritwan Gokule Tishtam Aristam Pushta Pungavan Shri Haristam Rasaya Uche Ryati Harimrita. Hare. Whilst living in Vraj, Shri Krishna stole away the life of souls, the strong bull like a demon, Adhishtasur. At that very moment, Shri Radhika is great jubilation, loudly chanted Hari Hari. For this reason, Shri Radha is known as Hara. In the vocative case, Hari is addressed as Hare. Shlok 8. He apristam rati priti bharne hari chestanam gayanti matadhira hari vikchyanti. Hare. Shri Radhika sings the pastime of Krishna is indistinct tones, and sometimes out of intense affection she sings loudly. Therefore, learned scholar who expert in describing the tattva refer to her Hara. Hara is addressed to Hare. Shlok 9. Rasavesha Paristanam Jahar Mullinam Hare Harati Kirtida Devi Vipine Keli Lampata. Hare. In Vrindavan, Shri Radhika playfully stole away the flute at his well from the hands of Shri Radhika while he was amazed in the rasa because he stole away Radhika Devi is known as Hara. The form of address as Hare is Hare. Shlok 10. Govardhan Dari Kunje Pariramba Viksaksha Shri Radha Ramyasa Ramasteno Manohari. Rama. Shri Krishna is the most clever in the art of embracing. He is thus known as Rama because he wandered with the Shri Radhika, playing and enjoying with her in the cave of life dogs of Rad Govardhan. Slok 11. Hanti Dukhani Bhaktanam Rati Sukyanti Chanva Hara Devi Nigtate Maha Karunya Salini. Hare, Sri Radhika is most merciful. She steals away all the miseries of the devotees and daily bestow happiness upon them. Thus she is known as Hara and is addressed as Hare. Slok 12. Ramte Bhajte Cheta Parmanand Viruddha Atreti Kathanam Rama Shyama Sundar Vigraha. Rama, the minds of the devotee who performs bhajan delight in the topmost ocean of bliss. Shri Krishna, for the reason the dark complexed, Shri Krishna is also Rama. Slok 13. Ramyati Achyutam Prema Nikunja Vana Mandire Rama Nigdati Radho Rama Yuktastaya Punne. Rama in the our boss Srimati Radhika gives joy to Shri Hadi with her prem. Therefore, according to the etymological original of Ramyati, Anandyati, or she who gives the happiness and bliss, she is called Rama. Shri Krishna is known as Ram because he unites with Radha and Ram. Shlok 14. Rodhaner Gokule Devanam Ashyati Hasu Vishnuchiteno ko Rama Bhakta Sukhamande. Rama, when Shri Krishna saw all the Brajvasis weeping in the Braj, he swallowed the forest fire, thus giving them great happiness and great pleasure. Therefore, Shri Krishna, who gave happiness to his Bhakta, is called Rama. Slok 15. Nihutumna Ashurnam Yato Mathura Punam Ityasya Tadagnam Aradha Kamo Yasya Sasud Hariticha. Hare, Shri Krishna went to Mathurapuri to kill Kansa and other demons. Afterward, he returns to Vad with a desire to meet Shri Radhika in solitary place. She attracts Shri Krishna from the arms like Mathura and brings him to Braj. For this reason, she is called Hara. One who steals the form, the address of Hara is Hare. Slok 16. Agyate Dukha Hari tu Sarvesham Vrajvasinam. Shri Radha Hari Charito Hari Shri Nandanandanam. Hare, Shri Nandanandanam came from Mathura and Dwarka to steal away from miseries of the Brajvasis. The Nandanandan, who is endowed with the pastime, the captivate mind of Shri Radhika, is called Hari. The word Hari becomes Hare in vocative voice case. Thus ends the commentary of Mahamantra by Jiva Goswami. Jai Shri Radha.